Hey YouTube, I'm Joe and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to go over the Panzoid YouTube intro maker and how to take a Panzoid template and make a cool little 2D or 3D clip that you can use as an intro for your YouTube videos. But before I do that, I just want to remind you to subscribe to my channel, click that little bell notification icon that pops up so that you'll get notified every time I put out new content like this. Now, on to the video. Okay, so here I am on panzoid.com. You want to point your browser here. The link is in the description. Panzoid is a graphical animator tool. It's free to use. You don't even need to create an account to do what we're going to do today. You can if you like. So they have a couple different tools. You have a video editor, you have a backgrounder, and you have a clip maker. The one we're going to be using is the Panzoid Clipmaker. But I'm not going to click right here. What I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom here and click on More Creations. So that's going to bring us to all the templates with some search filters. And what we want to do is on the All Tools, click and select Clipmaker. And then if you want, you can pick a category. So you have upbeat, insane, chill, outro, transition, and title. I like title because they're usually the tamest of the ones. Some of these other ones like upbeat and insane, they can be really loud and long, and depending on your niche, I mean, you may want something that's crazy. Like these seem more oriented to me towards like a gaming type channel. If you're doing some kind of business stuff or something that's a little tamer, you're going to have to look around and find something that's not too crazy. So I usually filter to title because I find those are the ones that are less crazy, but not always. So once you get your filters, you can just look around. These are all templates that people created that you can use and modify. Some of them duplicate professional TV channels and video games. Like this is Cartoon Network, and you can actually edit that and put your own name in there. 20th Century Fox, there's Marvel down here, here's Battlefield from a game. So you'll have to look around and find some ones that you like. And then once you find something you like, you can just click on it and it'll bring it over here. So this is the author's page and all the other ones that are similar to this one that the author created. And if you want to open it for editing, you just click this Open in Clipmaker. And it's going to open another tab and bring you to the Clipmaker. So the way you preview these is you come down here and there's an eyeball here. So if you click on the eyeball and it turns red, you can now click the play button and it'll demo what the intro looks like. Now sometimes they get a little loud. I don't know if this one's loud or not. So I'm going to just play it. It's actually not too bad. It's about 10 seconds long. It's pretty cool looking. I went ahead and picked a few other ones that I can demonstrate to you. So let me start over here. This one's a little loud, but I'll give you an example of a more elaborate, crazy type style. So that one's a little bit longer, a little crazy. Here's a decent one. It's pretty neat. So, all right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this one, I'm going to play it one time, and then we're going to modify it. This one's kind of tame, but a little fancy. Not too bad though. And it's not too long, so I like that one. So what we do is these are the editing toolbars over here. We can come down here, you can change the frame rate if you like. Go with 60. This one's already 1080p, so we'll leave it there. And then we want to click on this little 3D box that says Objects. Okay, and this one is real simple. It only has one property, and that is the text. And we're just going to change that. And you put your name or whatever you want your channel name in here. Okay, so what I typed was a little too long, so what I can do now is I can go to the size here, and I can just lower the size of the font a little bit till it looks like it fits in the window. Okay, that's a 10-point font. That basically, I'm done at this point. I'll just replay this for you. Now I've modified this template with my own text in it. And later on, when you bring it into a video editor, you can actually get rid of the sound if you want. And what you want to do next is just download it. So in mode, I always take extreme quality. It says slow, but it's really not that much slower. I mean, the difference is maybe like 1 or 2 minutes. So I would put it on slow. I'm not going to do it now because I want it to go a little bit quicker. And then this format, you really don't have any choice. It's going to download it in this MKV format, and I'll talk about that in a second. So what you do here is you take the extreme quality and you click your start video rendering. Now it's going to do some calculations, process the file, and then it's going to download it for you. So I'll come right back when that's done. All right, so our video has finished processing. We're going to just click download your video. It's going to download it to our computer here. It just defaults to video.mkv. If you want to rename it, feel free. I'm going to leave it for now. Just going to save that. So now it's stored here as this MKV file. So this format is not usable by all video editors. So the next step in the process to make it into like a universal format would be to convert it to MP4. And how I do that is I come over here and I'll put this link in the description also. This is an online converter that converts a video to an MP4 player, MP4 file, I should say. So you just get and drop it onto here. Now it's going to re-upload this, which takes a couple seconds. It's a small file, so it shouldn't take that long. Once it finishes uploading, you just hit the Start Conversion button here. I don't change any of these presets, okay? This is exactly how you want it. The only thing that matters is this H.264, and that's what we want for YouTube. So I hit Start Conversion. It's going to convert that to the MP4 format, and then allow us to download that MP4 file. It usually doesn't take that long. It doesn't take too long. They're small files. These intros are only a few seconds, so they usually go pretty quick. So that's done. We go down here to this download button again. Hit the download button. Type the name of the file, whatever you prefer. Save that. It's going to save down onto the computer. And as soon as that's done, I'll play it one more time. And we now have a little MP4 intro. And that's it. That's how easy it is. That's how quick we can do that. It doesn't take much at all. And now that we have this MP4 format, we can drop this clip into any videos that we create for YouTube and use this as an intro. And that's it for today. That's the video. If you liked it and you found it helpful, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, I just want to remind you once again to subscribe to the channel if you like these types of videos. And thanks for watching.